Still using an old PBX or ISDN phone system? We're going to explore a new DIY guide to the cloud. You know, moving to Teams or WebEx makes sense, but the migration, well, that can be a real headache. But what if there was another way? A service that gives your team a proven method to do it themselves? Okay, so this whole approach is built on 4 key pillars, and they're all about your return on investment. First up, cost. You get to skip the pricey consultants and manage the whole project in-house. Huge savings. Pillar 2 is all about empowerment. Your team doesn't just do the migration, they learn how to run the new system. Next, you get total control. No compromises. The new system is tailored exactly to how your business works. And finally, support. Yeah, it's DIY, but you're not going it alone. You've got resources right when you need them. And listen, this isn't just some theory. This method has been used to migrate 500,000 users. It works. So what's the journey look like? It's a clear 6-step process from planning all the way to optimization. Now, let's talk more about that support. Imagine having a migration expert on call for you 24/7. And how's that possible? Through an AI assistant. It answers questions, grabs templates, and even manages users. The deal is super straightforward. One kit gets you everything, all the templates, guides, and that 24/7 AI assistant. And hey, you don't have to jump in blind. There's a free 14-day trial to test it all out. You can use that trial to map out a smart rollout plan for all your users with way less disruption. So it's really all about empowerment. If you're ready to take control, scan the code for a free assessment.